As the cost of fresh produce continues to climb, the allure of cultivating your own vegetable garden may become ever more appealing. Whether you're a gardening novice or just need some fresh inspiration, these key steps will equip you with the knowledge to create a flourishing vegetable patch. 1. Soil preparation. The right soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Whether you're dealing with loose sandy soil or tough, clay-rich earth, modifications might be needed. Enriching your soil with organic matter like compost or manure can enhance its texture and nutrient content, promoting vigorous root growth. 2. Choosing the right spot. Sunlight is vital for most vegetables, so pick a site that isn't obscured by trees, large shrubs, or buildings. Aim for a location that enjoys at least 6 hours of full sun daily to ensure your garden's success. 3. Watering wisely. Watering isn't one size fits all. It depends on soil type, humidity, and rainfall. Sandy soils may need more frequent watering, while clay soils retain moisture longer. Remember, direct the water to the base of the plants to avoid evaporation loss. 4. Weed control with mulch. Weeds are the unwanted guests in your garden, stealing precious resources from your veggies. Using mulch, such as wood chips or newspaper strips, creates a barrier that keeps weeds out, ensuring that your garden remains weed-free. 5. Starting small. For those new to gardening, less is more. Planting a few types of vegetables, like peppers, tomatoes, corn, zucchini, squash, and herbs, can provide a manageable introduction. You'll learn what thrives in your particular soil and climate. 6. Natural bug deterrents. The strong smell of garlic isn't just a kitchen delight, it's also an effective insect repellent. Planting garlic amidst your other crops can naturally keep bugs at bay, adding both protection and flavor to your garden. 7. Utilizing supports. Cages and trellises can aid in upward growth for plants like peas, beans, and tomatoes. This method not only saves space but also prevents produce from rotting on the ground and ensures better sun exposure. Gently guiding the plant's tendrils and stems around supports encourages them to climb. By following this practical guide, you can look forward to enjoying homegrown, mouth-watering vegetables that taste even better because you grew them yourself. Besides saving on your grocery bills, the satisfaction and freshness of your own crop will be well worth the effort.